guys, DJ Ronald Mechanic here, back with another video. So, I know y'all seen that TV sitting right down that stand. So, the reason for doing this video today, y'all, is to remind y'all, if you're replacing one of your smart TVs in your house, if it, let's say, went out or the screen showing lines, heck, it just stopped working pretty much altogether. If it still does turn on, I would suggest that you, if you can, reset that TV to the factory settings. In other words, wipe it clean, just like you would do a computer. And the reason for that, because you got to remember, on those smart TVs, you've entered your information on there for as like your name, your email address, if you got Hulu accounts or whatever, something on the smart TV. To me, that's just like a computer. You don't want to throw away something that still has your information on it. You might want to clean that out, because with everything going on, with people accounts and everything get hacked and all that there, you'll be surprised. A lot of people get rid of their electronics, especially computers, whatever, something like that, or old TVs, rather the smart TVs, and still have their information on there. Clear those out so you won't have any problems. So I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do to this one here. So this is a Hisense TV that we had in our room. This one here, the reason why I took it out, because this bad boy here, it started showing little vertical lines across the screen. So I'm like, okay, this is no good, time to take it out. Yeah. And just to let y'all know, this was a TV that, a couple years back, I'd probably say about 3 years ago, and ordered from Fingerhood, brand new. So I would probably say about a year and a half, the screen went black on it. All you could hear was just sound. You couldn't see no picture, nothing. So we called up Fingerhood, told them what the problem was, because the TV was still under warranty. No problem. Sent it off. Probably say within a week. So they sent the TV back. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe they might replace it, with a new one or whatever, or even go ahead and just, fix the screen or whatever or something. So instead, what they did, they sent a refurbished TV back to me. And how I know that? Back to that information. See, that there's a setting on there where you go in and set your TV up, and you have to enter your email and all that there, to get the TV started. So when I went to that setting, I noticed there was a whole different email set up in there, and settings were different. So I knew off the top, I said, wait a minute, this is not the TV that I sent to them. I said, they sent me a refurb TV somebody else had. I'm like, okay, cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and run with it. So now, this is the last draw on it now. So the lines went out on it, pretty much. So, hey, I'm about to get rid of it. So let me go ahead and I'm going to plug this on up right quick. All right, got it plugged in. So like I said, y'all, when you get rid of your smart TV, if it still does come on or whatever, something, make sure you go to the settings and go to factory reset and clear your information out, because you don't want to leave your information on there. So let me see if this TV still come on. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see it, but see all those lines? See that in the screen? See that? All those lines up in it. See it from top to bottom. Look at that. I'm like, the heck with it. It is gone. Look at that. Y'all can see the lines right there real good. Look at that. Yep, this is no good. Not at all. So I'm just waiting for it to come up because I'm about to try and do a factory reset on it. Yeah, there you go. See? Look at just check out the screen quality. Y'all see how it done messed up? Hey, that's alright. I'm about to reset this bad boy. And it's going straight to the trash. And no, I'm not gonna try and fix that. Ain't worth it. So let's go to, let me find the settings on here. Surprised all this still work. Nope, look at that. See that? It's stuck. Look at it. Don't want to do nothing. Wow. Yep. It don't want to do nothing. See if I can power it off. Yep. That's what that is, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna be brutally honestly with y'all. I think these Hisense TVs are garbage, if you ask me. I bought it at that time, you know, it was a little cheap little deal. I was like, okay, we just need something for the room, you know, till we get it straight. Didn't have the TV a good year and a half. Screen went out. Okay, sent it off. They sent another one, which was turned out to be another refurb. So it lasted this here 2 years, and look what happened. Y'all see what the screen look like. I am never, I don't care how cheap it is, I'm never buying another one of these. Nope. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Not doing it. Look at that. You can't even, wow. Yep. So look at it. It's totally unresponsive now. So it won't do nothing now. Yep. Unfortunately, I can't even get to the screen on here, to the setting screen for trying to show y'all how to do the resetting on here. But yep, it's all good though. Let me see if I can. There we go. I'm able to get to it. Trying to hurry up and do it when I got access. All right, so I'm in the system. See, look, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. See, they got your email address on there. So you definitely want to get rid of that. Okay, here we go. So you get up in there, you go to advanced system settings. And right there you see factory reset. And here are your options where it says reset TV, audio, picture settings, or factory reset everything. So do that there. Then you gotta type in your code, whatever that you use. Oh, okay. All right, so at the bottom, when you get to this part here, see it has a little code they tell you to re-enter, so you can go ahead and reset. So what is that? 4, 6, 8. And once you do that, hit OK, factory reset, start factory. Yep. So that's where you clean everything out of it. I don't care if the TV it comes up like this or whatever, and you trying to trash it, reset it to the factory setting, clear it out. That way all your information is out of there. So that way you won't have no problems at all when you get rid of that TV. So that way can't nobody get into the settings and see all your information that you typed in there. So you are good to go. As you can see, it's resetting. That's good. But yeah, y'all definitely can clear this. See, look at that screen. See them lines going on now? It is definitely no good. No good at all. See that? Now it's in let's set up. Let's get it started. So see that? So it's all finished. So I'm gonna turn it off. That's it. I'm through with it. No need for me to try and reset it up because the screen is no good on it. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's my reason for doing this video, just to remind a lot of folks. I mean, you know, I drive around town, I be seeing a lot of TVs to like put on the side of the curb and everything, and you'd be surprised. Now, like I say, if it's a smart TV you throwing away, if it still comes on like this one here, and if you can, get into your settings and reset it so that way it will clear all your information out. So, so you won't have no problem. Alright, y'all. This DJ Ron Mechanic here. I'm about to go take this to the trash and get back in. Go get me something to eat. I'd like to thank all my subscribers out there, my new ones, old ones. Appreciate it. Keep rocking with your boy. I'm gonna bring y'all some good content. A lot of information stuff if I can, you know. Try and help everybody out. So, this DJ Ron Mechanic, y'all. Hey, I am out. Check you on the next one.